I recently purchased the OXO Good Grips glass salad spinner, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations in every way. This salad spinner is a fantastic addition to my kitchen and has made preparing salads a breeze. The first thing that caught my attention is the sturdy glass bowl. Unlike plastic spinners I've used in the past, the glass bowl of the OXO Good Grips spinner feels incredibly durable and is resistant to staining and odors. It also adds a touch of elegance to my kitchen with its clear design, allowing me to see the salad spinning process in action. The spinner mechanism is where this product truly shines. It features OXO's signature Good Grips handle, which provides a comfortable and secure grip while spinning. The spinning action is smooth and efficient, effectively removing excess water from the salad leaves without causing any damage. I appreciate that the spinner mechanism is easy to operate, requiring minimal effort. Cleaning the salad spinner is a breeze as well. The glass bowl and the stainless steel spinner mechanism are both dishwasher safe, saving me time and effort in the kitchen. The lid also comes apart for thorough cleaning, ensuring that no residue or water gets trapped in hard-to-reach areas. Another standout feature is the non-slip base of the spinner. It keeps the spinner stable on the countertop, preventing any accidents during the spinning process. This feature is especially useful when I'm spinning a large batch of salad. Overall, I highly recommend the OXO Good Grips glass salad spinner. Its durable glass bowl, efficient spinning mechanism, and easy cleaning make it a top-notch.